In today's video, we will be taking a look at Levata, a project of duplex villas inside Vista Caná. This project had launched a while back, but I never had the chance to present it until today. Levata will have 24 duplexes built, and 20 are already sold, so there is a sense of urgency here. And even more because of its location within Vista Caná and the features of these duplexes. We'll cover that later in the video. Levata duplexes will be built in 4 phases. Each phase will consist of 6 duplexes. Each duplex will measure approximately 1,647 square feet of living space on a lot measuring approximately 2,368 square feet. First thing is, you'll have parking for 2 vehicles. There will be stairs on the side of the villa should you decide you want to go straight to the back of the house to get in the pool or enjoy a barbecue as soon as you get home. If not, you go through the main entrance. Once inside, there are stairs directly in front of you to get to the second level. To your side is a room that can be used for whatever your needs are. Here it is shown as a family room. This room will have its own full bathroom. What's more, there's a door from the bathroom should you want to go straight outside. It also works if after you come out of the pool you want to shower and change without getting the house floors wet. Just outside of the room is a laundry closet, followed by an open floor concept with kitchen with a breakfast bar that is not shown here but will have. The cooktop and hood or extractor are included. You also have the dining and living areas. There will be 3 panel sliding patio doors that will open your whole living space with the entertainment area, which includes a terrace and pool. The yard space will measure 796 square feet. The pool will measure 194 square feet. Now let's go upstairs to the second floor. Immediately to one side, you'll find a bedroom complete with private bathroom and private balcony. This bedroom will face the front of the house. Opposite to this bedroom is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet, bathroom, and private balcony facing the back of the house. Every bedroom plus the extra room downstairs will include the air conditioners. Now let's go up another set of steps to the rooftop. This will measure 624 square feet. Here you can see what it would look like if you took the rooftop package. This comes at an additional cost. If you opt out of the rooftop package, you will still have the electrical and water facilities should you decide to add it in the future. Here are a few images I captured this week showing the progress taking place in Levata in Vista Caná. I also want to take advantage and show you the distance from Levata to the second man-made beach and to the Ashton School already in session. The price for any of the duplex villas left is $295,000. There is 1 left in phase 2, 2 in phase 3, and 1 in phase 4. You can reserve one with $5,000 US, pay 20% with signed agreement to purchase, pay 30% until building is completed, and pay the 50% balance on delivery. If you wish to make a Levata duplex villa your home or investment property and don't want to wait 2 or 3 years until a unit gets built, this opportunity is for you. Remember, there are only 4 left. Get in touch with me right away to 809-223-8416 or send me an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, make sure to subscribe. It costs nothing. And by hitting the notification bell and selecting all, you'll never miss a video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it so others can benefit from these incredible opportunities. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram @PropertiesByMasters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.